Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it is possible just because you're broke? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a fully funded program that is powered by no other than American Express. Yes, today's program is proudly funded by American Express. This is something that you're interested in. Keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. And if you're new here, please introduce yourself in the comments. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And to all of my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you for your amazing love, and incredible support. I see you guys and I truly appreciate you. If you're new here and you're tuning in for the very first time, please introduce yourself in the comments. I'd like to know you for real. And yes, let me go ahead and introduce myself while you do the same thing. My name is Miriam. I'm based in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share 3 videos every single week: Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And that's about it. Without further ado, let's get right into today's business. Come with me. Let's go. Let's go. So besties, as I said earlier, today's program is funded by American Express. Have you heard about the American Express Leadership Academy? They are now accepting applications for its 2026 program. It's a fully funded learning experience designed to strengthen and rejuvenate leadership across the global non-profit sector. For more than a decade, which is 10 years, the Academy has supported non-profit leaders to build resilience, deepen their leadership capacity, and navigate organizational challenges with confidence and clarity. In-person dates. Yes, they have in-person dates. Guys, as regards the cost of the program, it is fully funded. Participation is free of charge. It's a 6-month program that blends hands-on learning with strategic reflection. Participants actually engage in a series of 5 online workshops and a 4-day residential gathering, complemented by a 360-degree leadership assessment and personalized coaching. The experience is rooted in real-world challenges and emphasizes practical application, peer learning, and professional growth. And who are the people who can apply for this opportunity? The Academy is designed for senior non-profit leaders who are committed to strengthening their leadership and driving meaningful change. Ideal candidates are people who seek continuous learning and professional growth, people who demonstrate adaptability, perseverance, and view challenges as opportunities for motivation, people who maintain a positive mindset through uncertainty. Yes, so people who lead proactively and creatively, people who aim to amplify the organization's impact. Now, what does the program offer? Participants will experience active transformational learning, a highly interactive and experiential approach that is focused on learning by doing, by applying new behaviors and gaining practical skills. They also get real-world relevant content that is shaped by current sector challenges, informed by the experiences of leaders across civil society, government, and businesses. And here is how to apply. So guys, the American Express Leadership Academy is now accepting their applications for its fully funded 2026 Leadership Development Program for senior non-profit leaders. And they've been doing this for a decade, like I said earlier, and they've supported change makers across non-profit sectors to help strengthen their leadership capacity, to help them build their resilience, and also navigate complex issues with confidence. It's a 6-month program, and they combine it with 5 online workshops and a 4-day in-person gathering in regional hubs across the Americas. Yes, EMEA and UK and Asia Pacific. Participants engage in experiential hands-on learning rooted in real organizational challenges and supported by wonderful coaching, like people who are seasoned coaches. The curriculum emphasizes resilience, adaptive leadership, purposeful storytelling beyond authority. And guys, it is something that you don't want to miss. If you own a non-profit organization or you've had experience working in a non-profit organization and you want to increase your, it's going to look really good on your resume and it's going to help you further in the future. Maybe you want to apply for a visa or you want to attend another international conference like this one. Because you've attended one before, it also gives you an edge above others. It can help strengthen your own application in the future. So I'll advise that you guys take advantage of these opportunities. Like I mentioned earlier in one of my videos, since I was in the university, I've been looking for opportunities like this. Ever since I knew that they exist, I've been looking for opportunities like this, and I was privileged to attend one. At the end of the day, I actually got one. I got invited into 2 events. For the first one, I wasn't able to get the visa. Yes, it was actually happening in Norway, but I couldn't get a visa then. And then I was privileged to attend another one, which was the World Bank Conference. So it's something that you don't want to miss. It's something I believe you should experience it at least once in your lifetime. So go ahead and apply for this opportunity, because you just never know. You never know, you might get selected, and it's going to help strengthen your own resume, and it's going to help you way beyond your own imagination. So go ahead and give it a shot. Go ahead and try it out today. And I hope that with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that yes, you can actually take advantage of these fully funded conferences and attend them. So guys, we have come to the end of today's video. As always, I've done all the homework for you. Just head over to the link in my description and begin to apply for it right now. And at this point, I would like to acknowledge my amazing Patreon members. Thank you, and thank you so much for helping, for being an amazing, a valued part of this community. Thank you for supporting my creative journey. If you'd like to join my Patreon community, find the link in the description as well as in the comments, and go ahead and be a part of my Patreon community. I also have a channel membership. First, I want to say thank you to my wonderful channel members, my wonderful channel supporters. Thank you for all that you do. I see you guys, and I truly appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you real good. If you would like to join my channel membership, you can find the join button right next to the subscribe button over here. Yes, go ahead and join my channel membership. I mean, you get the same perks as though you're joining my Patreon community, because as a Patreon member and as a channel member, you can book a one-on-one consultation with me. We can discuss all things grants, money, scholarships, business, and everything in between. So yes, if you have any question for me, let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. And guys, interestingly, I am now taking business collaborations and partnerships. Go ahead and send an email to ceo@chassiseverything.com. Interestingly, we now have an email list, so you can go ahead and sign up. Yes, be a part of the community, because we have 8,000 subscribers on this channel. So yes, it will be nice if I have 8,000 emails. So go ahead and join my Telegram community. Go ahead and join my email list. Sign up for my email list. I'm going to put the link in the chat as well as in the description. And yes, we now have a Telegram channel. So go ahead. Yes, reading my reminders from here. So yes, go ahead and join my Telegram community and be a part of it. And yes, go ahead and also subscribe to my channel in case you have not. Click on the subscribe button, like this video, and do well to share with your friends. And if you're new here but you have not introduced yourself yet, my God is watching you. If you have not introduced yourself yet, go ahead and introduce yourself. I would like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And yes, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you. I see you. Thank you for always liking my videos, sharing my videos, and leaving amazing, beautiful comments. If you have any question for me, please don't hesitate to let me know in the comments. Like I always say, this is not just my channel, it is your channel, it is our channel. So please feel free to express yourself, and I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. Now, this is a bonus, but it's outside of travel and all of that. I just have a bonus for you guys. I mean, pretty much like a gift. If you're someone that loves movies, yes, I'm going to be giving you access to sign up on a movie recommendation platform. It is entirely free of charge for you because you're using my link, to sign up. So use my link to sign up. It is filmcurator.io. Go to www.filmcurator.io and register, and you're gonna get amazing movie recommendations delivered straight into your inbox. You're welcome. Till I see you guys in my next video. Take care of yourselves and God bless you. Bye for now. I love you.